Hello everyone, welcome to Hunts's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make some simple Lego bedroom items. These are the things I'm going to show you how to build today. They are a shelf, a bed, a table with chairs, and a night lamp. First, I'm going to show you how to build the shelf. These are the pieces you need. 1 1x4 brick, 16 1x2 bricks, 7 1x1 bricks, 4 1x1 cylinders, 2 1x1 cones, 1 2x6 plate, 3 2x4 plates, 2 2x3 plates, and 9 studs. Let's build. Now, I'm going to show you how to build the bed. These are the pieces you need. 4 1x2 bricks, 2 1x1 cylinders, 1 4x6 plate, 2 1x4 plates, 1 1x2 plate, and 2 1x2 slopes. Let's build. show you how to build the table with chairs.
These are the pieces you need. 1 4x4 plate, 2 2x4 plates, 2 2x2 plates, 4 1x1 cylinders, and 12 studs. Let's build.
Finally, I'm going to show you how to build the night lamp. These are the pieces you need. 2 1x1 bricks, 3 1x1 snot bricks, 1 2x2 jumper plate, 1 small disc, 3 1x1 cheese wedges, and 1 stud. Let's build. One way to set up a room with these stuff is like this. Normal minifigures like these two fit the size for all the items. The minifigure can fit on the bed, and this minifigure can sit here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share this with your friends and family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!